Well, this is the new house in our laundry room, and coming in from the garage here. What is the garage? Anyway, we come in. There's a landing spot here for if we're really messy. We can take off the boots and all that, and just outside there's a wash station there, so you can kind of get the mud off your boots and hang your dirty work jacket and come on in the house. And in the house there is another landing area, so if you're not so messed up, you can take off your shoes and jackets and hang everything there. Also a place over here where you can recharge your phone and hang your keys. That kind of, right now, looks like wife has a water bottle ready to go. This here is a little tool for measuring the proper angle of a hoof when you're horseshoeing. So anyway, we've got horses, so we have to do that stuff. It's an old one. But anyway, the grandkids keeping an eye on everything. And this is the typical drawers for keeping things like tablecloths. We've got some information on how is the house there. A couple of drawers for miscellaneous tools and keys and things like that. But anyway, place for hats. There's all the some of the trophies from messing with the horses. Over here we have the business area of the laundry. There's some kind of cool things here. Of course, you need a wash sink in the laundry, and a place to kind of keep cleaning supplies and things like that. So that's what these things are: towels and cleaning supplies. This is for the laundry. All the laundry from the house comes in here and rotates in and out when it's needed. There's a pocket door into the rest of the house. The warm floor thermostat is there. Well, here's the cool stuff: washer and dryer, and you can sort the clothes here. I always bring a lot of laundry when I'm traveling, so I usually unload a bag of old laundry here, and we're ready to go. So here's some kind of a cool thing. So when you're loading this washing machine, you can get it all set up. I know I've probably got things mixed up with the wrong colors. That's the way I am. But you want to charge this thing with soap. You pull out this little handy deal here, which is kind of cool. And I don't know if you can see it here, but fill your soap container, push that back in, and you're ready to go. Very cool. Also here we have a drawer with a screen over the top of the machines. The machines generate heat, so it's kind of a nice place to just put sweaters or delicate things that you don't want to have in the dryer, but dry there. And then of course the dryer. The dryer is set up so that we can pull this out, and you probably can't see it back there. There's a real easy access in the back to clean out the duct and check the connections and all that. Also we have, let's see, yeah, so dryer stuff here. We don't have a lot of stuff in there right now. The dogs, or the dog I should say, and the cat. So we keep the dog food in storage. This is all ventilated, so load of dog food there. Down here we have a drawer has her bowls and stuff. We can feed her right here. And hanging stuff, so as it comes out of the dryer, we can hang it right up here. And then this door goes in, there's a little bathroom in here. I collect records, so I've got a record wash station here with different kinds of little vacuum and a pressure, little steam cleaner that I use to clean the grooves of records and stuff. All filtered water filter stuff is in here. Extra filters, and then there's the filter bank. And that is our laundry.